Hello, I am Venkana Rupani. I am an experienced data science trainer. I welcome you to my video. So in this video, we are going to see how to build Power BI dashboard under 15 minutes. So the dashboard looks something like this. So the data set is Sample Superstore. So we are going to build Sample Superstore sales dashboard, which consists of a slicer here and also the key metrics or KPIs like total revenue, total profit, total quantity, total customers, total orders, and few of the important visualizations by sales by category, profit by segment, sales trend over a period of time, and sales by subcategory. Now, let us jump into Power BI desktop. So here we will load the Excel workbook. So I'm loading the Sample Superstore data source, which is in Excel format. So here we have three data sets. We are going to load the orders data set. So let us select this and click load here. The data is getting loaded. It takes few moments to load the data based on the data size. Yeah, data is getting loaded as you can see here. So the total size of the file is 1.22 MB and it has got 9,994 rows or records. Now the data has been successfully loaded here. You can see here. Now let us start building the dashboard here. So first let us insert a title box, title text box here. So here we can type in Sample Superstore sales dashboard. So here we can increase the size of the font, say to 40, and we can center it and we can make it as bold. And we can have the effects here. So background color, we'll choose light blue color. Yeah, this color. And also we can have a visual border here. So border color, let us choose pink color and we'll have rounded corners. So rounding, let us make it to 10. So this is the title. Now let us create a slicer here. So slicer is this one, which is used for interaction with the visualization. So let us have the slicer and region. So we can edit the slicer settings. Instead of vertical list, we can have drop down. So we can resize it and we will place it here. So we can slightly reduce the width of the dashboard title and we can increase the width of this slicer. Okay. Now, so let us bring the cards here for total sales and total profit. Okay. So here we have the total sales. Can resize it. Yeah, something like this. So here we will format it. Okay. So category level we'll turn it off. And here we can have the title here, title turn on. And here you can mention it as total revenue. And we can center it and we can increase the font size to 20. And we can have background color for this like this. And we can also have the effects. In the effects, we can have the visual border with pink color and the rounded corners to 10. Okay. Now here we will create other KPIs or metrics for profit. So let us copy paste this one. And here, instead of total revenue, we can just total sales, we can select the profit here, and we can also change the title here. Okay. Now we will create for total quantity sold. So here, instead of sum of profit, we will select the quantity, and we can change the title of this. So quantity sold. Then we will create the total number of customers, unique customers. So here, let us take the customer name and we'll do count of it. So instead of this one, we'll select the count distinct. Okay, instead of first name, and we'll change the title here. So here title we'll change it to customers. Okay. We can resize these things a little bit to accommodate for the another metric. So let us copy paste this to create orders, total orders. Okay. So here we will count the number of orders or order IDs. Okay. So here we will count the distinct order IDs, and we can change the title here. Orders count. So now we'll format this visual as well. We will apply the same formatting. So we can use format painter and we can apply it. Now we'll create the bar chart here for the category wise sales. So let us select the category here and then we'll select the sales. So we can have it like this, and in the format visual, we'll have the data labels turned on. Okay, and in the title, we can have it as sales by category. And then we'll have profit by segment. So we'll select the segment first and profit. Then we'll select the pie chart. So we can do formatting here. So the data labels are turned on. And here in the title, we'll put profit by segment. And here in the effects also, we can change the color. So here for the detail labels on the values, you can change the color to say black color. Okay. And on the legend, we'll turn off this text and we'll place it at the bottom left. Okay, like this. Now we will do the formatting here, and we'll apply the same formatting. Let us select this format painter and apply it here. And we can again select this and apply it over here. So format painter is a very useful tool to quickly format the visuals. Apply the same formatting across all visuals. Now let us create a line chart here. So let us select the line chart, and let us select the order date and the sales. So we can have this. Okay. So we can drill upward. You can see here. So this is yearly sales, and here we have the quarterly sales and monthly sales. We can also add the trend line here. Just turn on the trend line. So this was the trend line, and we can have a funnel chart here. So we'll create a funnel chart here for the subcategory wise sales. Okay. So here on the title also we'll do some editing here. So here sales by subcategory, and here we can apply the same form, and for this uh, line chart as well, we'll change the title to sales trend. Okay. Now here we will apply the same formatting of this visual to the line chart as well as to the funnel chart. Okay. Now here you can interact with this region. You can select any region of your choice, say central region. Now you will be able to see all the visualizations, including the cards, have been changed. Okay. So you can just see here. You can select any of these things. So you can see we have exactly created this dashboard as we have seen here in this visual. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.